Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. In today's video I'm going to be doing a bit of a power hour speed clean. The house is messy for a change. I not long ago dropped the boys off at school, well 2 out of 3. I actually got to the school with all 3 of them, and unfortunately somebody in Archie's class has got coronavirus, so they've been sent home, their class has. So I've got Archie with me today, but I am going to do a bit of a speed clean around the house. Nothing too crazy, just want to get it tidy, and I am really excited because I have got a new gadget to try out that's gonna hopefully make my life so much easier and make cleaning so much easier. It is this Musu robot vacuum cleaner, and I just want to say a big thank you for them sponsoring today's video. I have been so intrigued by these for such a long time, and I'm so excited to try it out. They remind me of the ones, did anybody ever have, I can't remember whether ours was called Aroma or Arumba in primary school. That was something that we were allowed in little groups to go out into the corridor and play with, and you gave it like instructions, and it looked a little bit like one of these, so it really reminds me of that. But I think obviously technology has moved on quite a bit since I used one of these in primary school. So this one is the Musu robot vacuum cleaner, and it is the MT710. It is in this lovely nice shiny black. So inside the box you obviously get your Musu robot vacuum cleaner. You also get a charging docking station with a cable. You get a remote control, so that as well as your phone you can control it with that. You also have 4 cleaning brushes. You put 2 on the Musu, and then you've got 2 spare, and it's also got 2 filters. So again, one that you've got spare and they just clean really easily, and then of course you've got your instruction manual that tells you exactly how to use it. One thing that I really love about this is the fact that you can operate it from your phone. So you could literally be out and about and put your hoover on whilst you're out for it to go around and hoover the house. And another thing that I just find fascinating is the fact that it will put itself on charge. It can find the charging dock. It just can go and find it and put itself on charge. I just think that's so cool. So it's got infrared sensors that stops it from banging into things, stops it from falling down the stairs. It can go around furniture. It's got different modes. You can have it so that it just goes around the edges of the room. You can even do it from your Alexa as well, which I think is amazing. Like, I'm gonna set this up to Alexa so that I can just tell it to hoover the house. Like, technology these days. It's got a really nice low profile as well, so it's gonna be able to get under things really easily, like under the radiator covers, and make sure it gets in all those awkward little places. I just love the thought of being able to put this on, go out and come back, and the house will be hoovered. One reason as well that this is really good for us is Archie actually has quite a severe dust allergy, so hoovering is a bit of a constant thing in this house. So if I can be able to put this on every day, let it do its thing, then it's going to be getting up a lot of the dust that I can't always get when I'm not here. So that's going to be amazing for just for that alone. I really hope that Rudy takes to it quite well. I think he's going to think we're like replacing him when we've got another pet. But I have charged it up. It takes about 5 hours to fully charge, and then it's got 2 hours of battery life. So plenty of time to do the whole house. It's also got different modes, different settings, which I will talk about whilst I am cleaning up. I'm going to set this off in the living room, and then I'm just going to clean around it. The living room's looking pretty bad, I'm not going to lie. But I'm going to set off the old Musu in here, let it do its thing, and I'll do my thing. And yeah, I've got a little cleaning buddy. So I'll get straight into the video and start cleaning. So in here, it is a total mess because I just filmed a haul. This is what happens after I film a video and I've got stuff everywhere. So I need to put all of this away. The chair is looking a little bit scruffy and messy. I've got a load of stuff in the corner. There's actually things set up for the kitchen. So I'm going to move that back in there because there is just some like building stuff just shoved in the corner, hiding away. I mean, definitely not pretty. That wreath really needs to go on the front door as well. That's still hanging there, but that is going to go on the front door at some point. So yeah, I'm going to pick up the stuff that's all over the floor, and then I'm going to set the Musu robot off and let it do its thing. So this was the aftermath of my B&M haul. If you have not watched it, then go and give it a watch. I will link the video here. And I am just setting up the Musu with my phone. You can use the remote as well if you don't want to use your phone. I found that it picked up things really well. There are 3 different settings, so you can have it on like a really quiet mode. You can honestly barely hear it. You'll be able to have it on and still be able to hear the TV like it just goes around. It does its thing really quietly, and yeah, certain settings are better for hard floors and for carpets. There is a spiral mode, so it does this circle and it just goes round and round, making sure that it gets every area. There's also a smart mode, which actually scans your room, so you can actually see on the screen where it is hoovered, which is just so cool. So whilst that is going around, just detecting all the bits on the floor that need picking up, I am just going to clear all of those things that shouldn't be in the room that are from the kitchen. I am also going to plump up all of the cushions and use some of this Lenore crease release. I don't find that it's that good for getting creases out, but I do really like the smell of it, so I'm just using it as like a fabric freshener. I also saw one of these lint removers on Instagram that I decided to buy, which I just find really good for getting up the fluff. You can just use it on so many things. It's really good on the stairs as well. It just manages to pull up loads of hair, and obviously we've got Rudy who does go on the sofa, so I find it really good to just go over the cushions with this just to get up some of the bits of fluff. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. Don't be afraid. And for the rest of the room, I'm just going around with some Fabulosa polish. I'm not doing any massive clean. Like I say, I'm just having a real quick tidy up of everything. And the Musu is saving me even more time because it is going around as I am cleaning. It's actually really nice having that just alongside me, just saving me a job. And I am probably going a lot quicker than normal because I want to get all the cleaning done so I don't get in its way either. So yeah, I actually feel like I am getting it done so much quicker. I am so pleased to have found a home for the tray that I got in B&M that I have decided to put on my sideboard with the lamp and just styled it up there. I'm really pleased with it. Over onto the fireplace, just giving it all a good dust. I'm also just going to go over the mirror with some glass cleaner just to get that shined up as well. The Musu is just doing its last bits for this room. I'm actually finished, so I was just watching it, to be honest. Go around, I lit my candles. Yeah, it definitely saved me some time. Moving on to mine and Peter's room, I had a bit of a hard decision of what to wear that morning, so I had a lot of clothes out and I had not made the bed, so I always make the bed first. It just makes the room look so much tidier straight away, and I absolutely love this bedding. I really wanted the very similar one that was everybody has, it's from Matalan, but I could never get it, so I actually got mine from Very, and I love it. The Musu is off doing its thing. I brought it upstairs, so I just let it just go round the whole of upstairs, and I didn't have to worry about it falling downstairs or moving from hard floors to carpet from the bathroom, because it can just do that easily, and the sensors mean that it won't fall anywhere. So that was great to just let that get on. I just went round again, glass cleaner and some polish, just shining things up. I had all my makeup out still as well, so I needed to put all of that away, and some towels and bits of washing that were out that shouldn't be out anymore. I'm going to leave all the details down below for the robot vacuum cleaner if you are interested in knowing a little bit more about it. On to Dylan and Archie's room. This does not need a lot of tidying. Since they've been back at school, like, it stays pretty tidy because obviously they're not in it. So I'm just going to make the beds and just put away some of their tablets and switches and just give it again a little dust.
It's a job to pay the rent, is busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished to stay, but they're done. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun?
I am also spraying all the carpets in the house with some of the Fabulosa carpet spray. Love this stuff. I am a big fan of the 1001 spray, but this Fabulosa one is the one I always go for now. It makes the house smell gorgeous. Moving on to Toby's room. This is the smallest room in the house, so it never needs that much, but it looks messy very quickly, and it does get quite dusty, like his bed does get quite dusty. So I'm just going to give everything a dust in there, and again make his bed, and that is pretty much all that's in his room anyway, so never that much needs to be done in here.
So given something worse to pass the time, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun?
And then lastly, I just have time to give my little office area a bit of a tidy up. This is just such a dumping ground. Everything that needs to go downstairs always ends up on this desk. I also have this massive canvas that I just don't know what to do with, that I need to either find a home for or rehome. And yeah, I've just give that a little tidy up. This is all the dust that the Musu collected, which I am so impressed with. I hoover all the time, so the fact that it's managed to pick up all this, I am super happy with. And now it is just taking itself back to go on charge. I've just pressed the charge button on my phone on the app, and it is going to charge itself up, which is just so cool. So that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this little power hour speed clean. All details below for the Musu if you want to go and check it out for yourself. And I will hopefully see you again for my next video. Take care everyone. Bye.